Hey everyone, in today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So first of all, what to do is dive into busy.com, and this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here for you free LLC now. So you click over here. Then the first steps you have to do is click over here and you choose LLC on entity type. Then in state you choose for, of course, you choose Texas. And then we have here three packages. The first package is for free, and we have here plus 300 state free, and it's for 4 weeks. And we have here the first thing, it's preparation, film the articles of organization, as you can see. Then free first year registered agent services, and then we have here online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation, and that's it for the first packages. Then we have the second one, it's for $199 plus $300 state fee for 4 weeks. We have the first one, it's prepare and film the articles, so we have the same for those things, but we have more. It's EN, business tax number, and operating agreement. Then we have here lifetime complaints alerts, limited phone and email support, and the last one, it's errors for 2553. And the last packages is for $299 plus $300 state fee, and it's for 2 days. So the first things we have here, expedited felon, and we have business contract templates, and we have also domain name plus business email and other things. So if you wanna start, all you have to do is click over here, click over get started. Then you have to write your personal information like LLC name. For example, let's choose this one. And you click over next. Once you click over next, you will find state, fill and time. So we choose the first one. We have 2 businesses day, fill and time, and we have here 4 weeks, fill and time. So let's click over this one. Once you click over next, we have your contact person. You have to write your personal information like first name, last name, email, and mobile phone. And then you click over next, and we have the next pages. It's company address information. We have here 2 things. We have the first one, it's privacy, and we have the second one, it's use my own address. For the first one, we have here you have to pay $29 solely for 1 month, for each month I mean. So and then we have the second one, use my own address. So let's click on over the second one, and you have to write your company address like street address and city, state, and zip code. So for sure you will choose here in the state Texas. About city, you write your personal. So once you write your personal information, you click over next, then you click over use enter it, and then we have this next page, it's premium service package. So we have the package total here, we have 149, and you click over get limited time offer. So here we have please provide members information for my LLC. So the first one you choose the number of members, so let's choose one. So we will work individual, and you write your personal information out, and you click over next. So let's move on to the next page. We have registered agent information. So if you are arguing for this registered agent information, like Texas requires on LLC to appoint a registered agent. Only BC offer 1 full year of registered agent, and we have here other things like service of process and state correspondence on annual reports of our statements. So you choose the first one or the second one. So you can go for the one you want or the one you need. So for the first one here, so let's choose on the first one and we click over next. So let's move on to the next page. We have tax identification number information. So I am a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. So you click over the first one and you click over I agree. Then you write your personal information and you click over next. Then we have here set up small business banking. So you have to read this information, like here on relay we have no account fees or minimums up to 20 individual checking accounts to help you control projects, budget and taxes. Have employees, no problem, issue up to 50 Visa debit cards to keep your business moving. And then we click over yes, I am interested. And let's move on to the next page. We have tax strategy and free consultation. So if you have to read this, what you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper ERC tax election, commonly missed tax deduction, business bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce chance of an ERC audit, and how to reduce self-employment taxes. So if you are not interested, you click over I'm not interested at this time, and you can also click over yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. So you click over next, and have we have this page. We have business licenses and permits. So you have to read this one, and if you are, you click over no thanks, I will do the work myself, or yes please mail the application. So you have to pay $99. Then you click over next, and here we have order summary 4. You have to edit the information here for contact info, information info, agent info, company address and contact address, member info. So you have to edit this information if you want. Once you're done with this, you have to click over next, and then we have here the last steps is to write your personal information and about balance information. Like here we have card number, and we have here balance address. So and also we have here additional explanation for what is the cancellation policy for my order. Can I edit my order after it's been placed? What happens after I pay? How can I track my order? So you click over complete and pay, and you click over I agree to the legal statement and cancellation, and then you are done with how to start with LLC Texas. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward, guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more businesses types and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section down below, and I will be happy to help. And have a fantastic day ahead. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.